Does Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar work for weight loss? If you have been looking to lose weight, chances are you have heard or seen Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar weight loss recipe. This weight loss recipe was made popular over a year ago at the time of recording this video. So the question is, does Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar still work for weight loss in 2019? In this video, you're about to discover exactly how Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar works, and if you can lose weight with this so-called weight loss duo. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon to stay up to date with our new videos that we release every week. We share weight loss tips and advice to help you live a healthier lifestyle and to work towards getting the body of your dreams. Okay, so let's get back to today's topic. Does Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar work for weight loss? Most of you watching this video are already familiar with Garcinia Cambogia because we have posted several videos about it. However, introducing Bragg's apple cider vinegar to the equation brings a fresh new twist. Numerous studies have shown that if you take apple cider vinegar daily, it will help you to lose more weight on a daily basis. And this happens because vinegar has acidic properties that play an important role in improving digestion and boosting your metabolism. Garcinia Cambogia extract, on the other hand, has the ability to suppress your appetite and block fat production with its main ingredient, hydroxycitric acid, also referred to as HCA. So by bringing Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar together, you enjoy heightened impact. That is, you get the amazing weight loss benefits of both Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar together. Now with that said, let's look at some of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar and why you should start partaking of it daily. Benefit number 1. Putting your proteins to good use. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the digestion of protein, from which we get the growth hormone. And growth hormone works pretty much like jet fuel. It reawakens your body and gets your metabolism ticking. You feel energetic and you even burn more calories when resting. This simply means that by adding apple cider vinegar to your diet, you elevate your resting metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories on a daily basis. Benefit number 2. It improves uptake of iron mineral. Apple cider vinegar improves the process by which iron carries oxygen to your body cells and binds it there. This leads to faster breakdown of glucose, and the faster glucose is broken down to meet immediate body energy needs, the more calories you burn. And the more calories you burn, the more weight you lose. Benefit number 3. A suppressed appetite for sodium. It is one thing to burn calories, but it is another thing to control your body needs for sodium. Sodium is a key component of the junk food that we eat, and having too much sodium in your diet also leads to water retention, which favors weight gain. So you need to find a solution to this, and you have two choices. Either you forego your cravings for junk food or you find a healthy substitute. And that's exactly where Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar together comes in handy. Both are rich in potassium ions, and potassium ions can work as a healthy substitute for sodium ions. Benefit number 4 of taking apple cider vinegar daily. Detoxifying power. Most of the time our body operates at below average rates because of toxins which builds up over time. However, both Garcinia Cambogia and Bragg's apple cider vinegar together are quite useful as cleansing agents. Apple cider, for instance, cleanses the digestive system by binding toxins and guiding them out through feces, and a cleansed system translates to better uptake of nutrients, which in turn boosts your metabolism. These are just some of the amazing health benefits of taking apple cider vinegar daily. Now, since we have already done a video on the benefits of Garcinia Cambogia, we won't go over them in this video. However, you can click the link top right of this video to learn more of the benefits of taking Garcinia Cambogia for weight loss. Now that you know that there are many health benefits to be had by taking Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar for weight loss, here's how to prepare it. Step 1. Get your bottle of pure Garcinia Cambogia. Make sure you get a high quality brand of Garcinia Cambogia that has at least 60% HCA and contains no fillers or binders. This is very important because a poor quality brand will not work regardless of the dosage you take. In fact, the brand we recommend has 95% HCA, so if you don't already have your Garcinia Cambogia supplements, head over to our website by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll be redirected to our #1 brand of Garcinia Cambogia with over 95% HCA. Step number 2. Use Bragg's Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. You want to make sure that you use certified Bragg's organic raw apple cider vinegar that is unfiltered, unheated, and unpasteurized. By the way, if you don't like the smell or taste of apple cider vinegar, you can opt for your apple cider vinegar pills alternative. See the second link in the description for the brand of apple cider vinegar pills that we recommend. Step number 3. Make your apple cider vinegar drink recipe. Simply add 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar to a tall drinking glass containing at least 8 ounces of water and stir well. Step number 4 is to take your Garcinia Cambogia supplement with the vinegar drink. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the label of your Garcinia Cambogia bottle. Take the required serving size with your apple cider vinegar drink about 30 to 45 minutes before your first meal. Now, if you don't know how much Garcinia Cambogia to take, make sure you watch our other video on what is the right Garcinia Cambogia dosage, and the link to that video is in the description below. Note that you should never take undiluted apple cider vinegar directly because it can damage the enamel on your teeth, damage your stomach walls, and it can also dry up your arteries, which can lead to a massive heart attack. You should also avoid taking Garcinia and apple cider vinegar if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, or on any prescribed medications. So, are you ready to put Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar to the test to supercharge your weight loss results? If yes, click the link below this video in the description to head over to our website to get started. Also, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you found this video informative, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, and have yourself a great day.